Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Ulysse Nardin Freak Blue Cruiser, model number 2050-131/03. The case is an 18-karat white gold, 45mm width, and just over 13mm in thickness. The crystal is a scratch-resistant sapphire protecting all of the necessary internal components, as you can see. It is water-resistant only down to 30 meters, but is among the first Ulysse Nardin timepieces to actually be water-resistant. The hour and minute hands have luminescence at their ends, as you can see with the lights off. Notice that the hour hand is the larger one on the left, and the minute hand the smaller on the right. And with the lights back on, absolutely brilliant. The strap is alligator leather, blue with blue stitching, and white underneath. The clasp is a double deployment, which is friendlier on smaller wrists and for tighter fits. And while there is no crown or any apparent smaller outer moving parts, the time can be set by pulling up on the pull tab at the 6 o'clock position where it says Blue Cruiser. Simply lift this and you can rotate the bezel, which also has a very attractive pattern going all the way around, reminiscent of the waves of the sea. To start the time back up, simply press back down on the lever, and you're good. All the movement is made in-house and is quite a unique timepiece. It is of the caliber UN 205, and most outstanding, it actually contains a power reserve of 168 hours. That's right, 168 hours. All the movement is visible in the dial. All these sapphire pivots are visible as well, holding all of the main gears. And if you look very closely, there's also a green and purple gear. These are the escapement wheels that work together with the oscillator for precise timekeeping. And to wind the watch, much like setting the time, is also unique. Simply rotate the back of the case in order to wind the watch. And notice that I'm having actually quite a hard time winding it, and that is because the closer you are to actually fully winding the watch, the tighter it is. So a fully wound watch means that this will be very tight to wind. A very loose and easy wind means that you're nearing the end of the 168-hour power reserve. So, who is this watch for? To me, it seems to be for anybody who is looking to command and assert their presence just about anywhere, because there are very few watches out there that so proudly display their movement for all to see. And with a 168-hour power reserve, it far exceeds any timepiece I've ever held in my hand, even my own smartphone. So what are your thoughts on this absolute beast of a timepiece? Does seeing the internal mechanism on the face really sell this to you, or is it a huge turnoff? To me, the deep blue and seeming radial effects, depending on your lighting conditions, really just sits at the background, just waiting and hoping that you'll see it. But perhaps it's the one thing that pulls this all together. So what are your thoughts on that? Be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to purchase this watch or any other watch, be sure to visit us in our online store at JazzTime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.